व्यूअर्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू कैंपस वाला। आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताने वाले हैं अबाउट वन ऑफ द टॉप बी स्कूल ऑफ इंडिया व्हिच इज Xavier's इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट भुवनेश्वर। This institute is ranked at 43rd position by NIRF ranking in 2024. It also holds third position in IIRF. And if you want to know what is the admission criteria in this college, what are the courses being offered, what is the placement statistics, as well as who will be the top recruiters, please stay with us till the end of your video to know more about this college. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So guys, Xavier's Institute of Management Bhubaneswar, also known as XIMB Bhubaneswar, was established in the year 1987. This institution is a premier business school which has a legacy of around 30 years. It is accredited by NAAC with A grade, NBA as well as SAQS, and it is approved by UGC. This institute also holds several other ranks as well. Now when we talk about the courses which are being offered, it offers two courses. The first one is MBA and the other one is Executive MBA. The various specializations which are offered here are Human Resource Management, Public Policy and Governance, Rural Management, Sustainability Management, and many more. Now if we talk about the fee structure, so depending upon the specialization you choose, the fee structure is different. When we talk about MBA in Business Management, the total fees is 22 lakhs. For specialization of Human Resource Management, the total fees is 30 lakhs. And for Sustainability Management, the total fees is 14 lakhs. Now when we talk about Executive MBA, which is a one-year program, its total fees is 14 lakhs. So if you want to take admission in this institute, the candidate must hold a bachelor's degree with minimum 50%. In the exam scores which are accepted here are CAT, MAT, GMAT and NMAT. आगे हम बात करते हैं इनके प्लेसमेंट्स के बारे में, तो इनका हाईएस्ट पैकेज है 30 LPA, इनका मीडियन पैकेज है 18.53 LPA और इनका एवरेज पैकेज है 19.53 LPA. इनके टॉप रिक्रूटर्स में से आते हैं IBM, टाटा स्टील, कॉग्निजेंट जैसी कुछ बड़ी कंपनीज. अब हम जानते हैं यहाँ की इंटर्नशिप्स के बारे में. सो फॉर द बैच ऑफ 2024 टू 2026 इनके समर इंटर्नशिप्स में जो प्रोमिनेंट रिक्रूटर्स थे उनमें से थे गोल्डमैन सैक्स, ICICI बैंक, टाटा स्टील जैसी कुछ बड़ी कंपनीज. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ऑफ XIMB. So this campus is spread across an area of 20 acres. It has labs, laboratories, hostels with all the modern amenities for the students. अब हम जानते हैं कैंपस की लोकेशन के बारे में. सो इट इज अराउंड 6.3 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम भुवनेश्वर जंक्शन एंड 7.6 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम बिजू पटनायक इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. So guys, this was all about Xavier's Institute of Management which is in Bhubaneswar. And if you want to know how you can take admission in this college or you have any queries about whether there is a management seat or special seat or not, please give us a call on our helpline number so our academic counselors can guide you in the best possible way they can. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more such informative content.